Hey guys, Betha here. I am doing a little blow dry tutorial. I'm prepping my hair with r+co 1. It's their prep spray. Helps pH balance the hair. And then I have really fine hair. I have like 4 strands of hair. They're all limp. So I'm going to use the r+co Dallas thickening spray. And I'm going to put that more concentrated at the root. And then I'm also going to get it everywhere because it's not too sticky. It's a very user-friendly product, and you can have it in the mid-lengths and ends, and it won't make it a tangly mess. I'm going to pick up the volume, so I'm going to pull up on the root. For most people, this works better upside down. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to pull it out. This works the opposite way. If you want to smooth your hair, you want to blow down. I want it up, you want to blow up. Clip it up. I'm going to start by pulling it all over my shoulder. You're going to think about your round brush like a roller. So this section is about the size of my round brush. Ooh, I need a haircut. Call you up. So that's my first section. I'm going to do the second one, kind of temple to temple. I need my roots done too while I'm in this. So again, picking that section up because I want volume. If you want to smooth your hair out, you want to bring it down, alright? But I'm going up. I also use this hand as a comb underneath. That works really well. Mind the back of your blow dryer. You do not want to get sucked in. You'll see me roll it up, heat it up. Once that strand is dry, roll it up, heat it up, and let it sit for a minute. That lets the heat set. If your hair gets frizzy and you leave a little moisture in, sometimes when the strand is warm, it feels like it's totally dry, and then when it cools off, you can tell it's a little damp. If your hair gets frizzy, mine doesn't, it just goes flat. But if your hair gets frizzy, you want to make sure you get all of that moisture out, or else it's going to frizz up on you. Brush the brush. Take a break. Oh.